Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to use the Noma light hanging pole to hang Christmas lights. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. Now the Noma light hanging pole, this is actually the packaging that it comes in over here, just so you can see. Is actually a pole that extends out and has a claw that can grab onto Christmas light strings and Christmas light clips, just like this one right here. It's really easy to use, and it allows you to hang Christmas lights without a ladder or hang them in a really tall location with just a very small ladder, because it can extend up to 11 feet, okay? So first of all, how do you use the actual pole? Well, you turn it counterclockwise to loosen it, then you can extend it, and there's multiple poles that you can extend, and then you turn it clockwise to lock it in place, okay? That's how you get the desired length. Now, in order to actually operate the claw like this, just as you can see right here, okay, you pull the lever down to open the claw, you release the lever to close the claw. So what you want to do is you want to start off to hang the Christmas lights. You want to pick your location. So I'm just going to be demonstrating right here. I have this low gutter in my backyard. I have the high porch and a low gutter in my backyard. Okay, sorry about that. I just saw a light over there, but reflecting, but it's just the light from the camera. That's why I kind of got thrown off for a second. But basically, you want to use the claw, the light hanging pole, to grab onto the actual clip, okay? So there's a few options. First of all, you can actually put all the clips on your Christmas light string on the ground, and then just hook the clips up on the gutter line or the shingle line, right? That's the first option. Or you can put your clips all on the shingle line first, or the gutter line, and then you can put the cord on, okay? So it's up to you, but either way, you're gonna have to get those clips up there. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you wanna get clips that obviously are the best, type for hooking onto. So it all depends on your style, but for me, these are great because they can hook onto the gutters like this, and I can grab them up here. I have a nice firm grip of them up here. Look, I'm really pulling on them, and I can grab them up here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just hook this clip in place. I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll show you how to imaginarily get the Christmas light string on the clip, okay? Now I would recommend that you put the clips on the strings first and then hook them up, but that is it's better with two people, because then you can have someone managing the lights, right? Now I'm just using this extension cord for this demonstration because my Christmas lights are already up. They're already hung, waiting to be turned on, so that's why I'm using an extension cord. Anyways, let's take a look up here, okay? So there's the gutter line that I'm gonna be working on, and let's make sure I'm on camera up here, right over here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just hook the Christmas light clip in place, and then I'm gonna pull the lever to open up the claw. So as you can see right here, I'm angling it over the gutter. I'm gonna move the pole like this, and just like that. I'm gonna pull that, and we're good to go. As you can see right there, the clip is in place. And what I would do next, and I'm not gonna fully do this because, like I said, I'm not gonna actually hang anything on there right now, but I would get my cord over here, okay? I would open up the claw, put my Christmas light cord in there, as you can see right there. Then I would raise the cord up, and I would hook it on here, let's say, or in here. There's many different places that you can hook Christmas light cords on the clips, but it's up to you. I mean, I would hook it in there, let's say from the bottom. I could hook it underneath there, or I could pull it on top in there. It all depends. Okay, now I'll show you how to remove the clips. Now, like I said, I do recommend that you have a second person with you, and that you put the clips on the strings first. It is easier, but if you're alone, get those clips on there, and then, obviously work the cord in there. And I'll show you another type of clip in just a moment. So first of all, we're gonna take this thing down over here. I'm gonna grab that one more time. There we go. There we go. So as you can see right there, they're also really easy to remove. You can see right there, very, very simple, very easy. Now let me show you the other type of clip. So I had another one here. I don't know where it went, so right, here we go. Sorry about that. So this is the other type of clip that will work really well, because you can hook this onto the gutter. Okay, you can grab it, you can hook it onto the gutter, and then it has this opening here. So you could just take the cord and just put the Christmas light cord in there. And the majority of Christmas light cords will actually be thinner than this, which is great because then you can easily hook it in there. But yeah, I mean, that's how to use it to hang Christmas lights without a ladder. It does take a few moments, a few minutes of practice to master it, and you got to get the right type of clips that work well for whatever you're going to use it for. But once you've practiced it enough times, you'll be good to go. When you're done, you can retract it down just like that. So you can, sorry about that, you can turn it, retract it down, and then lock it in place, and you're ready to store it for next year. That's it. You're good to go. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.